Hey, what's up guys? So today in this video, I'm going to show you how you can use the object eraser on your Android phone. Now, keep in mind the phone that I'm using is Samsung S21 Galaxy Ultra, I believe. I've tested it on S20, S21, S22. They all have the object eraser available. As far as I remember, even my friend's S10 Plus had it. So let's get right into it. I'm going to show you how to do it. We're going to hit basically your camera down here. And then we're going to select the picture. So let's say I have this picture of my puppy here. So what we're going to do is hit the pen on the bottom. When you hit the pen, you're going to look at the bottom again, all the way on the right hand side where it has the three horizontal dots. Hit that, hit object eraser. Now here what you can do is you're able to draw around an object that you want to remove, or you can click on an object and it'll try to select it for you. So let's say I want to try to get rid of my dog. I'll click that. You can, as I said, you can draw around the object as well or other objects, or you can tap, right? And it gives you an idea of what they think you want to do. So that's what I want to do. And now we're going to click erase. Boom. So as you can see, my dog has disappeared. Keep in mind when you do this, sometimes it'll erase the object better than other times because it depends on like where the object is positioned, the lighting, all of that. Sometimes you'll be like, wow, there was nothing there. But sometimes if you like zoom in a little bit, you'll be able to see, I don't know, like a little bit of blur and stuff. So it depends what kind of object, what the lighting is, all of that. So let me go back. And instead of selecting, I'll show you, you can draw around it. So you can do that if you want. But as you can see, it covers a lot more. So there you can definitely tell with the blur a lot more. Whereas if you go back and just tap it and then click erase, it's a lot better, as you can see. So this is basically how you use that object eraser on Android. I don't know what the erase reflections, erase shadows is, but I can't really hit that. I don't know. That doesn't matter. But yeah, if you have a picture and you want to try to remove an object, or say like, you have a picture with one of your exes and it's not going too well, you want to remove it, this is how you would do it. Super simple, super helpful, super awesome feature. Let me know if it works for you guys, and I'll see you guys in the next video. All right, peace.